Delhi is famous for its street food and street market, and our initial motivation to choose this sector came from the same. But it is not as simple as it looks. There are a lot of street vendors who do not have access to continuing supply of cold water during sizzling hot summers. They do require this for drinking as well as for use. Example, vegetable vendor need extra water for sprinkling on vegetables so that they remain moist and other uses also. There is an urgent need for a device to be made which caters to this need of clean, cool and safe water even in remote areas where their livelihood and health both are not affected just because of the paucity of this basic need. The temperature of the water could be set according to the requirement. Also, the device needs to be cost effective so that it does not add an extra burden to their pockets. We come up with an innovative and much implementable solution, a Peltier water cooler. Conventional cooling systems, such as those in water cooler, utilize a compressor and a working fluid to transfer heat. Thermal energy is absorbed and released as the working fluid undergoes expansion and compression and changes phase from liquid to vapor and back respectively. Semiconductor thermoelectric coolers, known as Peltier coolers, offer several advantages over conventional systems like: firstly, they use no ozone depleting CFCs, potentially offering a more environmentally responsible alternative to conventional water cooling. Secondly, precise temperature control can be achieved with Peltier coolers. Its usage varies from the storage of medicines to daily life matters such as drinking water. Also, it freezes water and they can be extremely compact, much more than compressor based systems. Now, let's come to the construction part. Firstly, we take a ply board as a base of the system. Then, we put the heat sink with fan with the help of 4 pencils as a stand on the ply. Now, we take the Peltier module and put the layer of thermal compound on both sides of the module. Then, we put the Peltier module on the heatsink and then we place the small heatsink on it. The small heatsink is shielded around with glass wall. The glass wall have 2 holes at parallel side of the 2 glasses. One hose pipe is linked with the water pump and another pipe is linked with the jar. Now we connect the electric wires of each component like water pump, Peltier module and fan properly. Now it's time to run the system. Now let's understand how a Peltier water cooler actually works. Thermoelectric coolers operate according to the Peltier effect. The effect creates a temperature difference by transferring heat between two electric junctions. A voltage is applied across joint conductors to create an electric current. When the current flows through one junction to the other, cooling occurs. Heat is deposited at the other junction. This is known as Peltier effect. Now, let's talk about compatibility. A Peltier water cooler is very much cost effective. The model is easily implementable and Peltier devices are easily available. They do not require any high maintenance and can be easily constructed.